Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to transfer money from First Bank in 2025. With the latest tech updates, this process is faster, safer, and more convenient than ever. Whether you're sending cash to a family member, paying bills, or splitting expenses, I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it confidently in just a few minutes. First off, make sure you have the First Bank mobile app installed on your smartphone. It's free and available on both iOS and Android stores. Once that's sorted, open the app and log in using your updated 2025 credentials, like facial recognition or a fingerprint scan for extra security. This keeps your account protected from any unauthorized access. Now, let's get to the main steps. Step 1. After logging in, head to the dashboard and tap on the Transfers icon. It's usually front and center for easy access. Step 2. Choose the type of transfer you need, such as to another bank account, a mobile wallet, or even internationally. In 2025, the app might suggest contacts based on your recent interactions, making it even quicker. Step 3. Enter the recipient's details carefully. You'll need their account number, bank name, and the amount you want to send. Double-check everything to avoid any mistakes. Trust me, it's a game changer for smooth transactions. Step 4. Review the summary of your transfer, including any fees or exchange rates if it's cross-border. Then, hit the Confirm button. You'll get a one-time verification code sent to your phone or email. Enter it to finalize the process. A couple of quick tips. Always use a secure Wi-Fi connection for these transactions, and keep an eye on your transaction limits to avoid surprises. If you run into any issues, First Bank's 24/7 chat support is just a tap away. And there you have it. That's how you transfer money from First Bank in 2025. It's straightforward, secure, and saves you time. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.